Yo, what's happening, my friends? Picked up a sweet new knife from Sencut. Wanted to show you. Warning. This knife is very sharp. I hope so. It's new. Been on a Warncliffe kick lately, guys. I picked up this CRKT the other day. Just a little spew. Pretty sweet. But this is about Sencut. I ordered it. I'm waiting for it. Sencut Kyril. Black micarta handle. Stonewash. 9 CR MOV blade. It's the first knife we got that came in one of these fancy little pouches. So let's check it out. Ooh, yes, I finally got a knife sticker. Sweet. What else we got here? Oh, I got one of these little chamois cloths. ShamWow. Nobody pulls those out. Nobody uses them to display their knife. So there we go. We got our little 5-inch fixie there. Oh, that is a fancy case. Enjoy your new knife. Share it with others. Plush. Alright, guys. Let's see this thing. Ooh, pretty velvety. It's actually pretty slim. Oh, look at that. That is some pretty clean lines. Clearly it's a sheep's foot blade. Liner lock. Just got the flipper tab. Oh, it's got a nice back spacer there. Looks like it's G10 as well. I don't know if you can see the looks like copper brass washers in there. Blade actually comes up a little bit and locks on that bar. It's pretty nice. Choke up on the choil. I don't have monster paws, but good hold on it. But man, this stuff feels pretty nice. I don't know how it holds up. You guys let me know if you've been pretty happy with it. Something design. So yeah, I don't have too much info about it. I saw it on shout out to Stan Dan EDC. That's where I saw it, and I said, wow, that thing's nice looking. And I found it for $30. It was actually less on Amazon. I saw it for $26. So if it's something you like, you can find it on Amazon. I'll try to put a link there. Oh, I like it. Guess I went past that the 3-minute mark, huh, guys? Oh well. Well, there it is, guys. Pretty nice looking blade. And I finally got a sticker. Sweet. So, thanks for checking it out. I got plenty more gear to show you, and more knives on the way. So if you're digging this stuff, thank you very much for checking it out. I appreciate it. I have fun making these videos, and I got a bunch of knives, so hopefully I'll see you again soon. Have a great night, guys.